Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car, and we're also going to run through the exterior and interior major talking points and features of this Alpine White 420D M Sport GRAN COUPE. Starting at the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2015 65 reg, and alongside that you'll be able to see those very nice angel eye and xenon headlamps. Alongside the car being presented in the very sought after Alpine White, we've of course also fitted the vehicle with a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. And we've also upgraded the alloys to the 19-inch 442M wheels, which are finished in the original Bi-Orbit Grey. However, we've just had the wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit Grey, as I've mentioned, and they now look fantastic. And also accompanying them, you'll find premium mixed run flat tyres. Down the side of the car, we've got the very nice BMW factory gloss black air breathers, along with the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, and we also got the very nice sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Moving on for a glance at the interior, which for this vehicle we've got a very nice contrasting oyster Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options, as you can see there, and the interior on this car is also in fantastic condition. And we've also got that very nice dark blue walnut trim. It has got the 7-speed automatic gearbox in the car. We've also got the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. Moving through to show you the rear seat configuration, which again you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and of course you get the lovely darkened M Sport headlining. Again, before heading to the very back of the car, I'll show you the freshly refurbished 19-inch wheels. Another added feature we've made is the gloss rear boot spoiler. And as you can see there, we've also had the rear diffuser painted in gloss black to match that very nicely, to keep things a little bit more OEM on this 420D. Opening up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, you'll be able to see there just how much of a large space you do get in the GRAN COUPE variant. If you've not yet seen one or not yet had a chance to experience one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how large that boot space is. Another cool and pleasant factor is that you can take out both this parcel shelf and the littler one there to again add for and make things easier for taller objects, along with split folding seats. Closing that down, we'll head round to the other side of the car, and there you can see, thanks to the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, and of course the Alpine White body colour, they do work very, very nicely indeed. And we're now going to head on inside, and I'll just run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more depth. So now we're sat very comfortably inside the car. First of all, you will notice that lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently just situated on the DAB list. However, we've got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, and we've also got USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX inputs, of course. There is also the satellite navigation, which is definitely one of the most user-friendly and clever systems on the market. You also, of course, get Bluetooth telephone, and down here we'll find the dual climate control, along with our switches for our lovely heated Dakota leather seats. As I mentioned, it is the 7-speed automatic gearbox in this car. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on our multi-function M Sport steering wheel, which again is all in very nice condition. Hopefully I've been able to show it you throughout this video, and this car has covered just over 111,000 miles, as you can see there, and everything is in fantastic condition, as again I've hopefully been able to show you in this video. And again, we'll just quickly show you that the car has got some fantastic BMW service history as well, to again give you a huge peace of mind. 3,000 miles till next service. And again, if we go right to the bottom, which we already are, you can see there that we've got all the way up till 95,000 miles. Again, we've got extensive BMW service history, which is always a very, very good peace of mind, as I mentioned. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. For further information, guys, don't forget that you can of course look down below into the description. From there it will give you a link to our website, or if not, alternatively, there is of course contact details for us here at Your Next Car, where as always we'll be very happy to answer any questions that we can. Thank you guys, take care and goodbye.